Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Now this is a hack not directly related to gardening. This is sewage. Our pipes are backed up. The problem's being resolved. Because it's sewage, it's coming out of the septic tank or back up from the septic tank, etc. Problem doesn't really matter. If it's not clean water, you really don't want to be touching this. I don't want to run this through a shop vac. So the answer to taking care of this is wood pellets. Wood pellets are super absorbent. I'm going to drop them down here. It'll absorb the sewage water. I will scoop it up with the shovel, take it out. If you want to use it as compost, you're going to want it to compost for a full year and let it totally break down. If not, you can bag it, throw it away, put it in the woods. But let me just show you how to use wood pellets. Wood pellets, 40-pound bag, it's about $6. It's the cheapest way to really absorb water like this, and you're not going to have to touch it. These are 40-pound bags of hardwood pellets. Anything is fine. They're compressed, they're going to absorb a lot, and this is what I'm going to put down there. The reason I want to use wood pellets is, one, I can put them into the woods, they'll break down. I don't want to use cat litter, I don't want to use clay, all that kind of stuff. Sawdust is basically what I'm using. It's really absorbent, and it will help take care of the problem. This is 3 bags of wood pellets, all where the water is pulling, so this kind of, sets the perimeter. This will absorb the water, keep it from leaking out to the rest of the space. Right where the water is coming out of the pipes, dripping down there, I'm just going to put one entire bag. Let me do this off camera. The 4th bag of wood pellets went right where the water's coming out of the pipes. And as that swells up, absorbs water, I'll just get a shovel, scoop it out, put it into a container, and I will dispose of it. But this should contain the water while the sewage problem gets resolved. Again, you don't want to be touching this. I don't recommend a shop vac. If you are, you want gloves, face shield. You don't want this spraying around onto your body, in your eyes, into your mouth, etc. But this is a great way to contain sewage spills in your home. If it's clean water, I would use a shop vac if you have one. If not, you could use this too, and it will absorb the water really quickly. You can see how it's quickly turning dark brown. There's a lot more absorption to go, even with the dark pellets, and it should take care of this. And then I have more bags just to swap out while we resolve the problem. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you never have to deal with this, especially on Christmas Eve, but it happens. I recommend using wood pellets to absorb any kind of sewage issues that you might have in your cellar, in your house, or areas where you just get water that you don't want to touch or manage.